So they are given that Aij, and then it is the 2 by 3 matrix. A is of 2 by 3 matrix. If it is in board, you just write a 2 by 3 matrix and construct all the elements. But in objective, what we need to do is we need to reduce the calculation to 8, 9 by 2. I need to write the options for you to understand this logic. 9 by 2, 25 by 2, and 2, 9 by 2, 8, 9 by 2, 8, 25 by 2, 2, 9 by 2. So I want to save this time for the future classes. If everyone having the material with you, then I can directly refer that and explain. So the 2, 25 by 2, 8, 9 by 2, 9 by 2, and 8. Now, if you look at this, all the options, the first element is 2. So there is no point calculating the first element. See, for the objective questions, your observation and your calculation depends upon the options. If you see the second option is different in at least 3 options. I mean, second element is different in three options. These 2 options are same. And if you go for the next, and roughly if you had a look at that, it is not like nowhere all the 4 elements are different, none of the places. So let us calculate the second element. What is the second element? A, first row, second column, A12. A12 is what? 1 plus 2, the whole square by 3. Sorry, whole square by 2.
9 by 2.
9 by 2. And the moment you get 9 by 2, this is wrong option, and this is wrong option. And between these two, to decide between these two, don't calculate this element because it's the same in both the options. So if you go for this element, second row, first column element, it is different for these two. So if you calculate that, then you can eliminate the wrong options. So A21, if you calculate, so it's 2 plus 1 the whole square by 2, which is 9 by 2. So it is 9 by 2, but in this option, it is not 9 by 2. So it is wrong option. So basically in this method, what we are doing is we are identifying the wrong options. We are just finding the 2 elements in 2 places. Whatever options which are not matching, that we are cancelling. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the answer is the second option. There is no difficulty in it. It's all about the method of elimination. So this is what the definition of a matrix. A rectangular arrangement of elements in rows and columns is matrix, and the general form of a m by n matrix, m rows and n columns, is like this, and so on. The nth row, am1, am2, am3, and so on, amn. I guess this is already covered for you in the board concepts and all. And this notation, you should feel comfortable. Sometimes you may have the questions based on this notation also. In objective also, suddenly the question can be given using this notation. You should not be surprised with that notation. So Aij of order m by n is the short notation for this. This is the expanded one, and this is the short notation. So using that only, we did this problem. Right? I'm directly equating the corresponding elements. R plus 2 equal to 4, 5 equal to y plus 3, minus 2 equal to z, r plus 1 equal to 3. So you get directly r equal to 2, y equal to 2, z equal to minus 2. If you look at the options, the fourth option, r equal to y equal to minus z, that's the answer. See here, the definition that you need to know is the 2 matrices are equal if A of order m by n equal to B of order m by n. if and only if the corresponding elements are equal, Aij equal to Bij for all I comma j. This was the definition of equality of two matrices. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal if their orders are same and the corresponding elements are equal. That's what we used here and got these equations. See, when the question asked is B, you need to eliminate A. So to eliminate A, what you can do is you can multiply this equation. You can multiply this equation with 2. So this becomes 2A minus 4B equal to 2 minus 4, 6, 0. And subtract one from another. You directly get the B. So minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. 3 plus 4, 7. 1 minus 6 minus 5. Minus 1 minus 0 minus 1. Directly you get the answer, which is option 2. So when they are given I and B, instead of rearranging this C in terms of I and B, calculate the options and whichever gives the C, that will be the correct answer. And so when you're calculating, I should be multiplied with cos theta. So you get a cos theta here and sin theta here, minus sin theta here, and cos theta here. So this is the correct answer. Actually, I skipped one step in middle. I'll write what is that step that I skipped. So if you have any difficulty in understanding this, so cos theta is multiplied with this. This is cos theta 0, 0 cos theta plus sin theta is multiplied with this 0 sin theta minus sin theta 0. Initially, it may be difficult for you to skip the step and write this directly. But as you do more number of problems, you will be able to do. Right.
Sir, one second, scroll up.
Yeah. When you want to see, it is directly B minus 2A. C equal to B minus 2A. Directly you can do this. B is 4302 minus 2 times is 2, 4, 4, 10. You get the answer directly. It's not a difficult calculation, so you can just do it directly and then end up with the answer. So it's there in the option 2. So you can take 2 is equal to 3a by k. That implies 2 equal to 3a by minus 6. So a equal to minus 4. There is only one option with a equal to minus 4, and that's the answer. I'll repeat. What Chandu suggested is get the a value, calculate the a value from ka. So cancel this k and then write here. You should do exactly like this, because when it is objective, you should save your time. To save your time, you should reduce writing the steps. Like how in board exams, we insist that you need to write the steps properly. In competitive exam, we encourage not to write the steps. Write the direct steps and get the answers. So here, A directly 0 by k, 3a by k, 2b by k, and 24 by k. So equate these two and you get this. Directly you get a equal to minus 4, and there is only one option with a equal to minus 4, and we are done. Multiplied with b is equal to another matrix. And what is the order of b? So you write the order of the first matrix, which is 1 by 3, and this is unknown Fazil, and then the product matrix is 1 by 2. So these two should be the same. So that's why it becomes 3. And the product matrix is 1 by 2. That's why it will be 2. So altogether, B matrix is of order 3 by 2. So they're given the number of elements of a matrix is 13. So the possible orders is 1 by 13 or 13 by 1, because these are the only possible ways of writing 13 as product of factors. So 1 by 13 or 13 by 1. So that's option 1. Strike it. So because this 3 and 3 is matching, so AB product is possible and AB product order is 2 by 2. Same way, when you write the B first, B is 3 by 2 and A is 2 by 3. So these two are same. That's why the product BA is possible. If they are not same, the product is not possible. And the order of BA is 3 by 3. So it should be 1 or 2. AB, BA both exist and equal. And the second option says that AB and BA exist and not equal. So
Option
for
2.
yeah, whether to verify that they are equal or not, there is no need of calculating AB and BA. First of all, their orders only different. AB order is 2 by 2, BA order is 3 by 3. So the two different order matrices can never be equal. So option 2, AB, BA exist and are not equal. That's the correct option. Why fourth option is eliminated? By looking at this, they told the m less than n and here 3 greater than 2. So straight away it is not correct answer. And straight away this is not correct answer because the first number should be less than the second number. So that is possible only for these two. If in this also one of the option is such that the first number is greater than the second number, we could cancel that and then directly pick the answer without doing the problem. But to eliminate one of these two, we simplify this matrix multiplication. First row multiplied with the first column will gives you the first row, first column element. So this is okay. To get a basic idea, if you write the orders of this matrix, this is 1 by 2 and this is 2 by 1. So the matrix multiplication is possible and the product matrix is of order 1 by 1. So this is m square plus n square equal to 25. Now if you verify that 2 square plus 3 square is not 25, but 3 square plus 4 square is 25 and that's the correct answer. So the minimum value of n such that a power n equal to 0 means because they are given the options 2, 3, 4, 5, definitely one of the powers of a will gives you 0. So let us start calculating a square itself. So if you calculate a square, ab b square minus a square minus ab, and again ab b square minus a square minus ab. See, in the multiplication, I'll tell in this way, catch the first row of the first matrix and multiply that with all the columns of the second matrix. Catch the first row of the first matrix and multiply with the all columns of the second matrix. First row, first column multiplied will gives you the first row, first column element. So AB into AB, a square b square minus a square b square. And next, first row with the second column will gives you the first row, second column element. AB with b square, AB cube. B square with minus AB cube. Next, the second row with the first column will gives you second row, first column element. Minus a cube b and plus a cube b. Second row with second column will gives you the second row, second column element. Minus a square b square plus a square b square. You can see that all the elements are zeros. So the a square is 0. So the minimum value is 2. Yeah, you can clearly see that this element is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. So all elements are 0. So you're getting a 0 matrix. So that's why a power n equal to 0 for n equal to 2 itself. Of course, for a cube is also 0, then a power 4 is also 0, a power 5 is also 0, but the least value is 2. First, let us check AB is possible or not. We know that by associative law, ABC is equal to AB into C or A into BC. So let us calculate AB first. This is 1 by 2 and this is 2 by 2. So the product is possible and the product is of order 1 by 2. So the AB is catch the first row of the first matrix and multiply with all the columns. So the first row multiplied with first column will gives you the first row, first column element, which is what? AX plus YH. First row multiplied with first column. Don't leave the first row till all columns gets over. Don't leave the first row till all columns gets over. First row multiplied with first column over. First row multiplied with second column. Because you're doing the operation with the first row, you'll get all first row elements only. So XY multiplied with BB. So BX plus BY into the C is XY. Now this is of order 1 by 2 and this is of order 2 by 1. The product is possible? Yes. And the product matrix is of order 1 by 1.
That is H, sir.
Yes.
That is H, sir. H, HB. You wrote, instead of H, you wrote B, sir, there.
Okay, okay. That's H. Thank you.
Welcome.
Copied it wrongly. Yeah. So then this will be BX plus YH. Yeah, thank you. And then now this is only one row and then one column. You'll get just one element. So what is that? AX YH into X.
No, sir, H, sir. AH, sir.
Oh, sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I'll change that. AH and HB. So the XY and then no problem with this. And then the second element HX plus BY. Yeah. So AX square. So X multiplied with this AX square plus XYH and plus Y multiplied with this HXY plus BY square. So this is HXY, HXY, 2HXY. And which is there in the option 2. Yeah, that's the answer. So here only we need to be careful. Usually what we see, a power 4 is there, a is 3. So we'll write 3 power 4. If it is 81i, then it is correct, but it is not 81i. I'll tell you why it is. A equal to the diagonal 333 means it is 300030003. This is what the meaning of diagonal 333. So the A equal to 3i. Then what will be a power 4? 3i into 3i into 3i into 3i. So which is 3 power 4 into I. But it is not 81i to pick this as the correct answer. So everywhere A is there. So 3 you need to match along with I. So the 3 power 3 into 3i. So 3i should be replaced with A later on, because all the options contains A. This is 27A and this option. F of t equal to this. Usually suppose in this calculation, f of 5 comes, then we write 5 square minus 3 into 5 plus 7. 7 will remain as 7. But when you multiply, when you substitute a matrix, it is a square minus 3a. It won't be just 7 because there is no addition of a number with the matrix. It will become 7i. Whenever you are substituting, replacing the variable with a matrix, the number becomes the number times I. So this is the new point in this problem. You need to fix this point in your mind. Then what you get, this becomes a square minus 3a plus 7i. So let us calculate the a square separately and then write it directly here. A square equal to 1 minus 2, 4, 5. 1 minus 2, 4, 5. So now the first row with the first column, 1 minus 8 minus 7. First row with the second column, minus 2 minus 10 minus 12. Second row with the first column, 4 plus 4 plus 20, 24. Minus 8 plus 25, 17. So once you get the a square, you can write this as a square minus 3a plus 7i plus this matrix. So a square means minus 7 minus 12, 24, 17. Minus 3 times of that means 3 minus 6, 12, 15. Plus 7 times means 7007. Plus 3, 6 minus 12 minus 9. So the directly you can do the calculation. Minus 7 plus 7, 0. Minus 3 plus 3, 0. First element is 0. And there are two options with the first element 0. So let us calculate the second element. Minus 12, 6 and 6, 0. So there is only one option with that. So the option 2.